Austin's vibrant neighborhoods are filled with homes that showcase unique charm and curb appeal. Many homeowners turn to residential pressure washing services to keep their siding, driveways, patios, and decks looking fresh. But between those professional cleanings, there are simple steps you can take to maintain your home's appearance and prevent dirt, mildew, and stains from building up. By following these maintenance tips, you can extend the results of your pressure washing and keep your property looking its best year-round. Regularly rinse high-traffic areas, driveways, sidewalks, and entryways in Austin see a lot of use, and dust or debris can quickly accumulate. A simple rinse with a garden hose every couple of weeks helps remove loose dirt before it becomes stubborn grime. Driveways and walkways. Prevent oil stains and dirt from settling in by rinsing frequently. Porches and patios. Sweep away leaves, dirt, or pollen, then hose down for a quick refresh. Pool decks. Remove sunscreen residue and water stains to avoid slippery surfaces. Routine rinsing not only maintains appearances but also makes the next professional pressure wash more effective. Tackle small stains promptly. Austin's humid climate can cause algae, mold, and mildew to appear on siding or shaded areas of your property. Waiting until your next pressure washing appointment can allow these stains to spread. Spot clean stains. Use a mild cleaning solution of water and dish soap or vinegar to gently scrub problem areas. Remove oil spills quickly. For driveways or garage floors, absorb oil with baking soda or cat litter before it sets in. Check shady spots. Pay extra attention to north-facing walls and areas under trees, which are more prone to mildew. By addressing small stains right away, you'll keep your home looking fresh and reduce the workload for your next professional cleaning. Keep gutters and roof lines clean. Leaves and debris can clog gutters, leading to water overflow and stains on siding. Between pressure washing services, clean your gutters at least twice a year, more often in the fall if you live near trees. Inspect downspouts. Make sure water is flowing away from the foundation. Remove roof debris. Clear off branches or leaves that trap moisture and encourage algae growth. Prevent streaks. Clean gutters regularly to avoid unsightly streaks on walls. This simple maintenance step also protects your home's foundation and roof from water damage. Maintain landscaping to minimize debris. Austin homeowners love lush lawns and shade trees, but overgrown landscaping can contribute to dirt buildup. Trim trees and bushes. Keep branches from brushing against siding and leaving marks. Mow and edge lawns. Prevent grass clippings from sticking to walkways or siding. Remove weeds. Clear weeds from driveway cracks to maintain a clean, polished look. Well-maintained landscaping not only reduces grime but also enhances your home's overall curb appeal. Use doormats and outdoor rugs. Small habits can make a big difference. Placing doormats at entrances and outdoor rugs on patios reduces the amount of dirt tracked across your outdoor surfaces. Choose mats designed to trap dirt and moisture. Shake out or hose down mats regularly. Use rugs that can withstand Austin's sun and rain to protect decking or patio areas. These additions are inexpensive yet effective ways to keep your home cleaner between services. Schedule regular professional pressure washing. Even with good maintenance, professional pressure washing is still essential. Experts use the right equipment and solutions to deep clean surfaces without causing damage. The goal is to complement their work by keeping surfaces tidy between visits, so results last longer. Final thoughts: maintaining your home between residential pressure washing services in Austin doesn't have to be complicated. By rinsing high-traffic areas, tackling stains early, keeping gutters clean, managing landscaping, and using mats or rugs, you can preserve the beauty of your home year-round. With consistent upkeep and professional pressure washing at scheduled intervals, your property will stay clean, inviting, and ready to shine, no matter what Austin's weather or lifestyle brings.